In this video, you'll learn how to implement the NemoClaw AI model, a vital skill in developing intelligent systems. By the end, you'll know how to set up and integrate it into your projects. Welcome to our tutorial on implementing NemoClaw AI for beginners. Did you know that mastering this AI model can drastically improve your project's intelligence and efficiency? NemoClaw AI is a cutting-edge tool that simplifies complex tasks, making it an essential tool for developers. In this video, we will guide you through the basics of setting up and integrating NemoClaw AI into your projects. By the end, you'll have the foundational knowledge to leverage this technology effectively. So, let's dive right in and unlock the potential of NemoClaw AI.
NemoClaw AI is a versatile and powerful AI model designed for both beginners and advanced users. It provides a robust framework for developing intelligent systems capable of processing complex tasks efficiently. The model's core features include real-time data processing, adaptive learning algorithms, and seamless integration capabilities. With its intuitive design, NemoClaw AI can be applied across various industries, from healthcare to finance, enhancing decision-making processes and operational efficiency. Understanding its basic architecture will help you appreciate how it processes data and generates insights, setting a solid foundation for your implementation journey.
Before diving into the implementation, it's crucial to ensure your system meets the necessary requirements. NemoClaw AI requires a minimum of 8 GB RAM and a multi-core processor to run efficiently. Additionally, ensure that your operating system is compatible. It supports Windows, Mac OS, and most Linux distributions. Software dependencies include Python 3, X, and several libraries like NumPy and TensorFlow. A stable internet connection is also essential for downloading updates and accessing online resources. Planning for scalability is advisable if you anticipate expanding your system's capabilities in the future.
Installing NemoClaw AI is straightforward if you follow these steps. First, download the necessary files from the official repository. Make sure to choose the version that matches your system's specifications. Next, set up your environment by installing Python and the required libraries. Use pip to install dependencies. Pip install NumPy TensorFlow. During installation, you might encounter issues like version conflicts. Ensure all software versions are compatible. After installation, verify it by running a simple test script to ensure everything is working correctly. This process ensures a smooth start to your AI journey. Once installed, configuring NemoClaw AI is your next step. Begin by editing the configuration files to set default parameters that suit your project's needs. This includes adjusting memory usage and processing power settings. For beginners, sticking to default settings is fine, but as you grow more comfortable, you can customize these settings for optimal performance. Regularly managing updates is crucial to keep your model running smoothly and efficiently. Updates often include performance improvements and new features, ensuring your AI system remains cutting edge.
Starting a sample project is an excellent way to learn NemoClaw AI. Create a new project directory and familiarize yourself with its structure. Understanding the file hierarchy helps in efficient project management. Begin by implementing basic AI tasks, such as data input and processing, using NemoClaw's pre-built templates. These templates provide a solid foundation, allowing you to focus on learning rather than starting from scratch. Integrating NemoClaw AI into your project is seamless, thanks to its extensive library support and documentation, making it a breeze for beginners. Testing and debugging are critical in AI project development. Testing ensures your AI model performs as expected and meets project requirements. Common techniques include unit testing and integration testing, which help identify issues at different stages. Debugging involves identifying and resolving errors that testing uncovers. Use tools like PyCharm or VersusCode for efficient debugging, as they offer features like breakpoints and variable inspection. Adopting continuous testing practices, where tests are run every time code changes, helps maintain quality and reliability. This systematic approach to testing and debugging is vital for delivering robust AI solutions. Troubleshooting common errors can save you time and frustration. First, familiarize yourself with different error types, including installation errors, runtime issues, and network-related problems. Common installation errors often stem from version mismatches or missing dependencies. Runtime issues might arise from incorrect configuration or resource allocation. Network-related problems can affect data retrieval and model training. Effective troubleshooting involves a systematic approach. Identify the error, research potential causes, and apply targeted solutions. Keeping detailed logs of errors and resolutions can help streamline future troubleshooting efforts.
Adopting best practices ensures you maximize the benefits of NemoClaw AI. Optimizing performance involves fine-tuning configurations and regularly updating your system to incorporate the latest enhancements. Maintenance tasks, such as cleaning up unused data and monitoring resource usage, keep your project efficient. Consider scalability strategies if you plan to expand your AI's capabilities or user base. Security is paramount. Ensure your AI system is protected against potential threats by implementing robust security measures. Lastly, leverage community resources such as forums and online tutorials for tips and troubleshooting advice, fostering continuous learning and improvement. You've now learned the essentials of implementing NemoClaw AI. To recap, we covered everything from system requirements and installation to troubleshooting and best practices. With these skills, you're well equipped to start integrating NemoClaw AI into your projects. We encourage you to apply what you've learned and share your experiences in the comments below. Let us know if there are specific topics you'd like us to cover next. Don't forget to check out the additional resources linked in the description to further enhance your AI knowledge. Thank you for watching.